Greetings and salutations to all. My name is Tando Musa Shezi, and I am here to showcase my Food Hub app. So, within this Food Hub app of mine, shows basically how my own application works, and yeah, it's just basically me showing you guys what my application looks like. So, we might as well just get started. So, from here on out, we'll start off with my home screen. So, this is my home screen. Within my home screen, we are going to see everything that will necessarily be shown on my home screen. Everything that will be literally when we actually enter the physical web page and or application. So I'm just going to keep on scrolling down just to show you guys the code, and then yeah, and then within also every single page that I have, I've made sure to put navigation buttons just so excuse me, just so you know you can find any other page that you need to get to, or whatever page you want to find also, because everything needs to be connected to one another at the end of the day. When you actually, because if nothing is connected to one another, we are not going to get anywhere. Like if you ask for a certain function to be done, it will not take you to where you need to go. So even within this page, as you can see within my add item screen, navigation type is there because all pages need to be linked to each other in order for it to actually be smooth sailing, right? Then there's also multiple styles that I've used for each and every page that is here, because when it comes to my styles, I necessarily just wanted it. I didn't want it to look too dull, but I also didn't want it to look too simple at the same time. So there's just me scrolling through my whole code and making sure that you guys or whoever's going to watch this sees everything. Then moving on to my edit item screen. So for my edit item screen, it basically allows me to it basically allows editing of an existing menu item and updates the analytic storage. So yeah, um, I needed some help for this page mainly because I didn't have it before, but I literally did not understand what I was doing mainly because I only had every other page but this page, and me getting this page actually kind of helped me to put all my code together so it could actually come into one full understanding. So within this page, I'm gonna keep on scrolling. You're gonna see all the code that I have here. Um, and yeah, so now we can move on to my menu list screen. So within my menu list screen, this is where all menu items with categorical filters, images, and delete functionalities would happen, right? So within all of this is where, okay, this is just going to be me scrolling through my code just so you can see. Okay, sorry, a bit too fast. Um, and yeah, it's just basically me talking about having all my buttons also correct, because you have to have a delete button at some point, a delete function, you have to have a filter course, you have to have a refresh control, and all of these things is mainly because within an application or of any kind, you actually have to have those kind of buttons, maybe because it shows direction and sense. Because sometimes you can make a mistake, you can type in a mistake, and you can make a mistake here and there. So you actually kind of need those buttons just to catch up and make up wherever you did. Then going to my data TS folder. So within this folder, um, excuse me, this is my menu data with images for this is my menu data basically. So everything that will be on my menu, or everything that you could type in that could be an option for yourself to actually search up on my application. So starting off, we have the different meals that I have. As you can see, from the classic cheeseburger to the grilled chicken wrap and many other options that I've put in, including the free will for you to be able to type in your own option of your own choice. So whatever you would like to type in or whatever you would want to put in, you would be able to. Then going to my final, yeah, going on to my final screen, which is my app TSX. So within my app tier 6, it's basically connecting all my screens and seeing what's going on within every screen. So this is where I've come to literally merge all of my screens together. So every screen that I have needs to be merged and put together in order for it to actually be able to go from one screen to another. So as you can see, I have my home screen, I have my add item screen, and I have my menu list screen, and my item and my edit item screen. So because of so this page is basically what merges all of my screens together, right? So now let's perform a function. We can say npx export start, just so we can start my application on the web and see how it goes. Um, as we're waiting for that, yeah, this does take some time from time to time, but like I guess it's a learning curve at the end of the day. There we go. Now we open up the web. And yes, as we open up the web, this is going to be the first thing. This is my home screen. As you can see, the beautiful home screen. Wow, that's nothing much, but it's something. Yeah. So yeah. Then you have add new. Then yeah, we have my add item menu. So this is where you can add in your own items. Everything fully functional. Uh, everything able to select. Everything works. And this is basically what you would want if you wanted a person or whatever user wanted to use your application. You would take this is where they would come to add their own kind of meal or descriptive kind of meal. And then yeah, so this has been my application, the Food Hub application. I apologize if the sound was a bit shaky. um I really do apologize for that, but I thank you for I thank you for viewing my app, and this is me. Thank you so much. My name is Tanu Musa, and yeah, thank you so much.